Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will tell you amazing facts about coral reef in this video. Please watch the entire video without skipping. A coral reef is an underwater ecosystem characterized by reef-building corals. Reefs are formed of colonies of coral polyps held together by calcium carbonate. Most coral reefs are built from stony corals, whose polyps cluster in groups. Coral reefs protect coastlines from storms and erosion, provide jobs for local communities, and offer opportunities for recreation. They are also a source of food and new medicines. Over 500 million people depend on reefs for food, income, and protection. Just like plants provide oxygen for our Earth, corals do the same. Typically, deep oceans do not have a lot of plants producing oxygen, so coral reefs produce much needed oxygen for the oceans to keep many species that live in the oceans alive. Corals actually comprise an ancient and unique partnership called symbiosis that benefits both animal and plant life in the ocean. Corals are animals, though, because they do not make their own food, as plants do. Coral reefs are important to the ecosystem because they are the pillars on which marine and coastal ecosystems are built. They keep plants, fish, and animals fed. They clean up our water and protect our coasts. Coral reefs are easily one of the most interesting life forms on our planet. The colorful ecosystems can be found all over the world, but many are sadly at risk of destruction due to a number of easily avoidable issues. Look at our 10 cool coral facts and the easy steps you can take to ensure coral reefs can continue to thrive. Number 1. Coral reefs protect wildlife. Barrier reefs get their name because they protect shallow, warm waters from the open sea. This protection creates an important habitat for many types of tropical fish and rare plants. Number 2. There are 3 different types of coral reefs. Coral reefs can be divided into 3 types: fringing reefs, barrier reefs, and atolls. Fringing reefs are close to shore, whereas a barrier reef will lie further out to sea. Often, atolls will be mistaken for islands because they are so large and generally appear on the rim of a lagoon. Number 3. Coral needs sunlight to grow. Coral needs sunlight to grow, which is why they thrive in shallow water. As a result, you're unlikely to find a coral reef deeper than 45 feet. Furthermore, they also tend to prefer tropical seas, as the seawater is warmer and clearer. Number 4. Large reefs are thousands of years old. Large visible reefs like the Great Barrier Reef in Australia are between 5,000 and 10,000 years old. Over time, the Great Barrier Reef has grown to include 900 smaller reefs and cover 2,600 miles, crossing 500 islands. Number 5. Coral reefs make the seabed more stable. Coral reefs improve the structural integrity of the seabed. This is because they encourage the growth of seagrasses and other sea plants. The more plant life there is on the seabed, the better it is held together. This reduces the impact of storms and tidal surges, preventing the erosion of the shoreline. Number 6. They also clean the water. Coral reefs also promote better water quality. The plants, animals, and organisms act as a filter, trapping debris that makes the surrounding environment cleaner. Subsequently, coral reefs tend to grow larger in areas with stronger currents as the wave patterns deliver more nourishment to the ecosystem. Number 7. They act as a barrier during storms. Coral reefs play an important role in protecting coastal communities from storms and water surges. They act as a buffer and are able to slow down water flow as well as prevent coastal erosion. Number 8. The algae on a coral reef is an animal. The algae that usually covers the surface of coral isn't a plant, it's a living organism. There are many different types of algae, from microscopic creatures to varieties with brightly colored leaf-like tendrils. Furthermore, a microscopic variety of algae called benthic diatoms contribute a significant proportion to a reef's dense biomass. Number 9. Coral reefs can treat cancer. Scientists have discovered that organisms within coral reefs can be used to treat cancer and other illnesses. For example, by studying coral reefs, scientists have been able to develop proteins that attack cancer cells. Number 10. Reefs can help to manage global warming. The last of our fun facts about coral reefs concerns their vital role in managing the planet's carbon dioxide levels. As giant, living, breathing organisms, they are essential to regulating carbon dioxide levels in the ocean. Therefore, these ecosystems play an important role in managing the effects of global warming. Thanks for watching. Hope you got some useful information through this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get an instant notification.